In this video, I show you how easy it is to edit one of our adorable holiday invitation templates, which are perfect for emailing, posting on the socials, or handing out. I show you how to edit and download for both printing and posting. Welcome to another video of Print-A-Party.com's product previews and tutorials. So once you purchase one of the editable templates, you will receive a PDF containing a link. When you click the link, it will take you to a page that looks exactly like this, which is a template I created in Canva. Canva is free to use. For this video, I'm just using the cookies and cocoa, but please note, no matter which editable printable you purchase, it will look pretty much just like this. And you click Use Template, the one that you purchased will load. Here is where I usually blow it up here, and you will see that every single little text box here is available for you to click, for you to edit and manipulate. You can change the text that's in there. You can change the font. And note that Canva has tons of fonts. Yes, the yellow crown denote Canva Pro, but if you look, there are a ton that do not have the crown that you can use. It just goes on and on and on. So you have plenty of options for that. You can change the font size. You can change the font color to whatever you want. And so this invitation just literally lets you manipulate it. I'll just change a few things just to show you here. I'll just change the name. Let's see, Susan Smith. You know, if you don't want to give a phone number, you can give an email. And once you are finished editing everything that you wanted to edit in this, there are a few ways you can save this. The first way is you can save it as an image that you can then share via email or post on social media if you are inviting people that way, or you can download it as a PDF and actually print these out and hand them out or mail them out as paper invitations. So you just click in the upper right hand corner, you click share, and then you click download, and here is where you will choose the medium in which you want to download. If you are just going to do an image because you want to email it or post it on social media, Canva suggests a PNG, but you can also do a JPEG as well, or even a GIF file, but I just like to do PNG. You download it and it will download to your computer. There is also another option if you wanted to, so it just downloads to your file. I'll show you what that looks like. If you want to download it to print it, say you're handing out paper invitations, you go back to download, you choose PDF. I usually do PDF for print, and you download it that way, and it will download a copy of it in a PDF format that you can then send to a printer, print from home, etc. And I will show you both of these. So once you download your files, they will go into a download folder on your computer. And as you can see, I saved both the PNG file and the PDF just to show you. If you save it as a PNG file, this literally is an image file that you can use to attach to an email or post on social media if you want to invite people in a very cute way online. The PDF is if you would like to print these invitations actually and mail them or hand them out as paper copies. I recommend you could use your home printer, maybe using a harder cardstock or something nicer. And it comes in a PDF, looks like this, but when you go to print it out, you will see that this 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, you will see that this is sized 5 by 7, which is a perfect invitation size, and you would just print as many as you need and hand them out. So that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.